Doa kelancaran, Bu.
Ngopi umroh, Bu.
Halo, Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. I see everyone is entering the class. Okay. What you guys doing? Oh, so how are you guys doing? How's the world treat you?
Okay, great.
It's good.
Oh, good, Jahar. Amazing. Because I have the same feeling. I feel great today because we are going to learn new material. But before we entering to the class, I want to make sure. Did you guys already login into Google Classroom? Sudah login semuanya ke akun masing-masing?
Sudah, Ibu.
Yes.
Have you done it? Okay. And then I want you to put your name as a present. Kalau teman-teman sudah masuk ke Google Classroom, sudah tulis namanya di masing-masing komen kan, jadi I consider that as an absence. Jadi kalau misalnya teman-teman masuk kelas, tulis namanya, saya consider itu presence, ya. Oke. Anyone would like to tell me ada apa aja tadi ketika enter di classroom? Did you guys see any materials or video link YouTube? Have you watched the link YouTube? Sudah
No.
nonton videonya belum?
No.
Sudah?
Not yet.
No.
Yes.
No one watched the video?
No.
That's fine. Okay, Is, can you help me to share the screen? It's okay. I will pull the video for you. No, I knew it that you guys won't click the YouTube channels. It's okay. It's relating with kuota, right? Okay. Okay, it's really hard. Kalau musuhnya kuota itu agak susah. Head to head sama kuota, ya. Okay. Since we don't have any much time, we are limit in time. Let's skip the watch video. Can we have the third screen? Yang ketiga, okay. Nih ya. Okay, since you guys didn't watch the video, so I will retell. I will describe. What should I say? Menceritakan isi videonya yang seharusnya teman-teman tonton before you guys entering my class. So the video is consisting of two teenagers. They are talking about smoking. You know, smoking is really relate with the teenagers nowadays. The student A tell to his friend that smoking is not a big deal. Is it okay as a teenager to be a smoker? See, because with smoking you can have a relaxing your feeling, push away the stress, and then relieving yourself. That's the function of smoking. And then he also said that when you are a smoker, you are easily to get friends. Jadi katanya kalau ngerokok itu bisa ngehilangin stres, asal punya teman gitu ya. Jadi kalau kamu ngerokok, kamu pasti bakal dapat cepat punya teman. While the others, temannya yang satu lagi, he said he disagree. Dia nggak setuju. He said directly, katanya gini, I don't agree. Okay, smoking is not good for your health, and smoking cannot push away the stress feeling. Katanya merokok mah nggak bagus, yang ada sakit. It's not pushing away the stress, tidak menghilangkan rasa stres juga katanya. And you can make friends with other activities besides smoking. Jadi katanya tanpa jadi perokok pun kamu udah cukup keren, bisa bisa punya teman banyak. Jadi so one person has their pro opinions, another have different opinion. Since you guys tidak melihat videonya, berarti saya tidak bisa tanyakan nomor 1. Tidak juga nonton videonya, saya tidak bisa tanyakan nomor 2. Then, let's jump into third questions. Coba, yang nomor 3 mah pasti tahu. Which person have the same thought with you? I will ask Jaharudin. Open mic, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have heard that we have two opinions, pro sama kontra sama merokok di kalangan remaja. Sebagai remaja nih, Jaharudin, orang yang mana yang nonton?
Yes.
Which person have the same thought with you? Pendapat mana yang sama dengan pendapat Jahan?
I think pro.
Pro. Oh, so you
Yes.
agree?
Yes, I think agree. That's human
Yeah,
right, man. That's human right.
Oh, okay. So you think teenagers become a smoker is a human right,
Yeah, I think so.
and you can make friends by become a smoker. Is that true?
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
okay.
true.
So I will go to Bahtiar. Bahtiar, open mic, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think? Which person have the same thought? The pro one or the cons one?
Absolutely pro.
Oh, you are the pro too. Oh my God. What a disaster ini. Remaja-remaja zaman sekarang. Okay. Do you agree with, is it okay become a
Me.
smoker at the teenage? Oh, Dwi, do you want to add some opinion, Dwi?
Yes,
Do you agree?
unfortunately, yes, I agree. I'm pro.
Yeah.
Everyone is agree. Adib, how about you, Adib? Tell me that you're not agree. Oh, your mic is mute.
I don't agree, ma'am.
Ah,
But
you are my
actually,
friend. Okay.
I'm smoker. But for
Yes.
a teenager, that's not good, ma'am.
Yes. Why is that? Kenapa? Adib, nggak bagus ngerokok itu?
It's not good for their health.
Okay. And how about making friend? Katanya kalau jadi perokok gampang punya temennya. Are you agree with that?
Yes, for some parts, I agree with that.
Oh, okay. So you agree in some part, disagree with others.
Yes.
Siapa nih murid-murid ibu yang cantik? Iis mau coba Iis atau Nining boleh silakan.
I disagree, ma'am,
Because
because the smoke is disturbing. It's harmful.
okay, smoking is harmful.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you, Nining?
I also disagree, Mom, because smoking is a bad habit and it will make our body is not healthy.
Okay. Okay, that's really good opinions. Now, since you guys already know how to share your opinion, share your thought, and you have sides dan punya sisi masing-masingnya, ada yang pro, ada yang kontra. Kira-kira nih, what kind of text which is can be relate if we are having this kind of thought? Kira-kira nih, kalau kita belajar teks apa coba yang kayaknya cocok sama cara berpikir kita? Yang cara berpikirnya Jaharudin, cara berpikirnya Iis, Nining, sama Bahtiar, Adib, apa coba? Mention, silakan sebutkan. Ada yang tahu?
Argument.
Apa nih?
Mida, okay, Mida, you raising your hand. Can you tell me what is that?
About pro, the other pro and the other contra.
Okay, well done. Ada yang lain kalimatnya apa? Coba kalau kita mau belajar teks apa ya? Anyone knows? Bahtiar, yes, please.
Argument text maybe, ma'am.
Yes, great. Oh, okay, Mareta, I'll give you chance. What do you want to say?
It can be agreement.
Agreement, yes, of
Agreement,
course.
agree or disagree.
Okay, both of you are right. Dua-duanya betul. Kalau misalnya we are going to creating some dialogue, it's of course we are going to express agreement and disagreement. Tapi kalau teks kita ke argumentatif. Silakan Iis, next screen please. I'm sorry, I coughing. Okay, guys, here we go. This is our new material for today, ya. New materials mean new things. Materi baru berarti hal baru. Saya yakin semuanya pada suka hal baru. Iis suka sepatu baru? Suka. Mareta suka tas baru? Suka ya? Oke. Saya yakin semua orang suka dengan hal baru. Jadi, analytical exposition is a new thing that we are going to learn in this class. Nah, what's the purpose of doing this? No, we're still at the first slide. Tujuannya apa sih Bapak Ibu, teman-teman kita belajar ini, maaf ya. Kita belajar ini tentu saja satu ya, bahwa teman-teman bisa menyalurkan pendapat teman-teman menggunakan kalimat apa jenis teks ini. Nah, yang kedua, what can we relate in English? Of course, at the end of the lesson, you guys have to able to use English in presenting your thought. Jadi akhirnya kalau kita sambungkan dengan bahasa Inggris, tujuan akhirnya adalah kita bisa menyampaikan gagasan kita, pendapat kita menggunakan teks ini dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke, berikutnya. What is it? Nah, kalau kita bicara tentang analytical exposition atau teks lainnya, kita akan dealing sama 3 things, 3 hal ya. What is it? What is it for? And how to make it. What is it? Apa sih analytical itu? Yang pertama, of course, is an essay, an ideas of a writer to persuade others. Jadi ini adalah sebuah ide dari penulis untuk meyakinkan pembaca atau pendengar bahwa pendapatnya is correct, relate to some issue. Ya, kayak tadi nih, ngeyakinin bahwa ngerokok nggak apa-apa. And then, what is it for? Next slide, please. Untuk apa sih buat analytical exposition? Of course, first to convince, second to persuade, and other to analyze. Kita bisa ambil 3 hal besar. 1, meyakinkan orang. 2, what is persuade in bahasa? Ada yang tahu persuade in bahasa? Membujuk rayu, betul ya. Kayaknya persuade mah ini bapak-bapak yang jagonya ya. Tapi di sini mah saya yakin murid-murid saya yang laki-laki nggak gitu. Oke ya, ini convince, persuade, and analyze. Karena kata-katanya analyze, it means you have to break down the topic. Nah ini karena untuk alasan-alasannya. Jadi 1001 alasan dibutuhkan di sini. Next, terakhir, nah gimana Bu? How to make it? Gampang banget, cuman 3 aja. Thesis, argument, reiterations. Tesis itu adalah pernyataan secara umum, general statement-nya. Kita mau bicara apa? Rokok, oke, rokok. Argumentnya apa? Kayak tadi, ngelepasin stres, nyari banyak teman, gitu ya. Atau kalau yang tidak setuju, argumennya 1, nggak baik bagi kesehatan, 2, nggak bisa ngehilangin stres. Reiterations apa? Kalau di istilah Quran ada namanya taukid ya, pentaukidan. Jadi itu menekankan sekali bahwa sesuatu itu benar atau salah based on our opinion ya. Jadi reiteration itu meyakinkan kembali pembaca, ini pernyataan saya ini benar loh. Bukti saya itu otentik loh, kayak gitu. Jadi kalau buat analytical kayak gini aja. Next. Nah, ini nih yang paling ribet di antara if you guys are creating some text yang agak ribet. But if you can handle this, you become a master. Kalau teman-teman bisa handle ini, oke, itu top banget. Nah, unsur kebahasaan paling agak ribet kalau kita buat teks dalam bahasa Inggris. Tapi di analytical exposition juga hanya ada 3 unsur yang secara garis besar ada di dalam teks. Pertama, tenses yang digunakan adalah simple present. If you want to tell about something in general atau tentang perilaku, keseharian pakainya tenses. Cirinya apa? Ada is MR, kemudian ada verb 1. Next ada connective word. Sesuai katanya connect berarti nyambung. Ya, connective wordnya ada kata and, in additions. Nah, ini fungsinya beda-beda nih. Ada yang connective wordnya untuk menambah informasi. Misalnya gunakan kata and. Kalau untuk contrasting informations, untuk bertolak belakang, tambahkan but atau however. Misalnya kayak gini, dia itu cantik dan pintar. He is beautiful and smart. Udah mah cantik, pintar. Tapi kalau kontras, he is ugly but smart. Dia itu jelek tapi pintar. Tertolong ya, tertolong. Jadi itu untuk contrasting. Jadi kalau kamu jelek, usahakan pintar. Oke. Berikutnya adalah causality. Causality itu adalah penyebab, ya. Misalnya, saya nggak bisa pergi ke sekolah. Kenapa? Karena hujan, misalnya kayak gitu. Jadi, I cannot go to school because of the rain, misalnya kayak gitu ya. Atau because the traffic jam. Nah, itu teman-teman. Kemudian yang terakhir adalah adanya frase. Jadi frase itu ada 2 gabungan kata yang jadi satu meaning. Kayak misalnya in conclusion. Nah, itu yang digunakan untuk mengakhiri teks. Oke, I'm sorry kalau Ibu cepat-cepat. Ada pertanyaan so far tentang analytical expositions? Raise your hand. Oke, oh, tidak ada. Oh, well done. You guys are ini cerdas-cerdas. Berikutnya. Oh ya, maaf. Ya, kenapa waktunya udah mau habis? Ada apa? Ini
gitu.
Zoom-nya mau habis? Ya. Oke. Oke, if you have any other questions, ini kan Zoom-nya kita cuma 45 menit ya. Nanti keburu closing sendiri. Ya, teman-teman
Yes,
kalau ada
ma'am.
pertanyaan
Okay.
boleh japri ke Ibu ya. Oke, you can japri. Oke, kita nyambung langsung ke project kita ya, guys. Nih. Ini contohnya nanti boleh saya nanti share PowerPoint-nya di Google Classroom. Oke, teman-teman untuk project kita yang tadi saya katakan, ini temanya yang harus teman-teman kerjakan ya, temanya kenapa buku sangat penting untuk kita, kemudian kenapa kita harus nyimpen uang ya, jangan sopi-sopian aja, kemudian atau gopud-gopudan ya, jangan, nggak boleh, harus saving money. Kemudian why is it important to keep our environment? Nih yang di kolong meja masih ada sampah bekas cilok ya. Ya, ini adalah cocok banget. And then why we have to avoid toxic friends. Ini yang lagi in. Kenapa sih kita harus ngejauhin toxic friend gitu ya? Teman-teman yang toxic itu, ya itu harus juga dibahas. Kemudian why students should stop cheating. Nah, ini ya yang paling crucial. Nining nanti ya jangan raising hand dulu, kita mau ke sini ya. Oke, I'm sorry Nining my dear, nanti bisa japri Ibu ya kalau ada pertanyaan. Oke. Ya, jadi teman-teman ini adalah di issue yang sangat relate dengan kehidupan teman-teman as a teenager. Silakan pilih, tentukan, lalu nanti diskusikan di Google Classroom boleh sama Ibu atau lewat WhatsApp juga bisa. Nah, yang paling terakhir, Iis boleh terakhir sayang screen-nya. Oke. Saya juga sudah buatkan timeline-nya untuk teman-teman. So you guys can put all your ideas. Ini nanti di dalam bentuk jurnal saja laporan ke sayanya. Jadi hari pertama ngerjain apa, hari kedua ngerjain apa, ketiga sampai ke-6. Oke. Kayaknya itu saja untuk pertemuan kita hari ini. Kita masih punya waktu nggak, Mareta? Atau sudah cukup waktunya ya? Oke. Thank you so much for entering the class, teman-teman. Ini Zoom-nya juga udah mau selesai ya. Assalamualaikum. See you next week insya-Allah. Bye-bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih Ibu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The energy of Gudeg is different ya Bapak Ibu ya.
Yeah. Burger
Yeah.
King.
Burger
Give
King.
applause to Bu Neni. Kalau itu
Monggo Pak Sultan.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you very much Bu Neni for your presenting. Yeah, I think the presenting is a very good for PowerPoint also. Maybe one of PowerPoint, maybe there is a typo, yeah, maybe. Which person have the same talk with you? You write sama gitu ya. I think be careful when you present the materials. Maybe you should recheck again before this. And then number 2, facilitate another student that have you guys watched or seen the video before? Some of them say that no. Yes. Maybe you can facilitate the student that say yes. Okay, question I have to give time for the student to speak up related with the video or maybe PowerPoint that they have watched in the classroom. Even though they only just see little, yeah, they have only just see little of the video, but it's okay, it's not problem. But you have given a chance to the student to speak up. I think that Anin, thank you.
All right, Pak Sultan, thank you for the feedback. Hi, Bu Neni. All right, Bu Neni, the presentation is quite good. The way you teach the students is full of energy, and I'm sure the students will get a lot of spirit from you. aja gitu ya. Okay, so I'm wondering about the worksheet that the students could fill when they're watching the video. Is there any worksheet, or they they just watching the video while doing nothing.
Ya Bu, kalau di modulnya menyimak aja Bu, menyimak
Nah.
videonya.
Yes, also they just watching the video, just let them write something or anything that they can catch from the video. So when you're asking the students, then they can answer directly. Yeah. Or you may also give some handouts or worksheet for them. So while they are watching the video, they will write anything about the video. Yeah. And also the next one, the way you display the question still the same as the previous teacher. So please put one questions in a slide. So they just focus on the questions asked. Yeah, so one by one. Next slide, next slide, next slide gitu ya. And I'm not sure that you give the enough inputs, because the worksheets I couldn't find, and then the activities for the students while watching the video is not really clear, but directly you give them like the theory about analytical exposition ya. Apa tadi?
Iya Bu, analytical
Okay,
exposition.
about analytical exposition. So I'm sure that you can modify a bit the scenario of learning and of teaching. Like let the students find the formula, like the purpose of the text, and then the organization of the text, and also the language used. So you just facilitate them with tasks, and tasks. And finally, you can wrap up. Yeah, so you can clarify, you can confirm what they are doing. Ya, baru yang terakhir banget. Okay, so this task is for showing our opinion towards an issue. And there are, if you can find the text, how many parts? Okay, ada beberapa parts, and then the pros and the cons gitu ya. So let them find the formula. You just give the what's that? The chart or table or any other kinds of infographic that they should feel while watching the video. That's all, Bu Neni. Okay, let's give applause to Bu Neni, everyone. Okay, next teacher, please.